Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change system language on Nokia G21 or other Android phone. So let's start. Let's change device language by tap on or go directly into the settings button on your phone, and you can scroll down, try to search the additional settings. This one, language and region. Here you can choose the language. Here you can add a language, for example a German language, and then you can edit it here if you want to delete, or you can try to change to German by switching the language to the top and then change it. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as the next button below. See you in the next video.